Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's take a look at what is going on currently on the euro currency, what has changed from the previous trading session. Well, if you remember, yesterday we have discussed how to combine the current resistance around 130.30 area and our medium-term view on the market to make it with the minimum potential loss that still we could get on the market. And we said, since market has hit 130.30 area and has accomplished some intraday patterns such as ABCD pattern, the butterfly sell on the hourly time frame, probably we could stick with these patterns because market somehow, due to the probability of course, should respect this area. So area is around 130.30. That will allow us to move our stop to the break even, and after that just watch, will market show our anticipated move to the 125, 126.50 area or not. So the first part has accomplished currently, although we do not see it on the daily time frame yet, but you could see that market has pushed down from this 130.31 area, well, as the respect of some accomplished patterns on the intraday charts, and now shows some downward move. So due to some reasons that we have discussed millions of times already, I expect to see deeper retracement on the daily time frame. You can see also that trend on the daily time frame by this retracement has not been changed to the bullish side. So bearish trend has held in the market and holds currently. That is support issue for bears, and that tells us that probably market still could give us this potential move to the downside. The nearest target of this move, although I would like to see some deeper move than I have drawn it on this chart, but the nearest target is the confidence support on the daily time frame. It's 127.35, 127.40, and you can see that is the target of this ABCD pattern if it will be harmonic. So if we will see some sort of the plunge down with this acceleration, some steeper move to the downside, in this case I suppose market could show some deeper move right to the 125, 126 area. Also, I do not have it on this chart, but if you will measure the 127 extension of that swing, okay, it will also stand right is around 127.40 area. That what this moment tells us. It tells that on the intraday charts we could get some sort of the butterfly buy right here, for instance on the hourly time frame. That could happen. But anyway, even extension of the swing per se is a significant moment. So that is the nearest target that we should keep an eye on, is the potential level where market probably will show some bounce to the upside, because this is really significant support. Well, what we see on the 4-hour time frame? On the 4-hour time frame we see that trend holds bearish as well, completement hitting target of this ABCD pattern on Friday and starting move to the downside. Now market is forming the bearish pennant pattern. That is also, as you know, the bearish continuation pattern. And if market will proceed lower, then we will get some shorter term ABCD pattern that will give us the target around weekly pivot support 1. You probably could get it by yourself and draw it, or you will see it on the hourly time frame. So from the bearish perspective, everything looks logical, and that is the scenario that bears would like to see. Any deviations from that scenario, so if for instance market will break this pennant to the upside, will suggest that something is wrong with the bearish move, that market probably will show deeper retracement or even will continue to move to the upside. That is even more significant because on the gold market we now have the confirmed double repo sell pattern, and if this will turn to the double repo failure, it tells us that market is ready on the gold to the breakout of 18 area, and on the euro currency we should expect some further upward acceleration. So it will tell that market will move to the upside. But until that will happen, currently all swings and price actions on the euro currency looks absolutely perfect for bearish environment, and nothing is breaking currently the short-term bearish perspective on the market. Since we do not have any bullish directional patterns yet on the euro currency and market now stands not at the support on the daily time frame, the classical approach to the trend trading framework tells that we should use the nearest retracement to the upside to enter on the short side of the market, because we have daily bearish trend, we have 4-hour bearish trend, market now at retracement, but retracement should not be deep since market not at the oversold area and not at the support. It's probably we need to use some nearest retracement to enter on the short side of the market, although that is support of the trade, support of that swing to the upside, but still that is the normal respect of this area. What we see on the hourly time frame? On the hourly time frame, that is ABCD pattern that I just told about on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see that if market will show that retracement, the target of this ABCD pattern stands precisely at the weekly pivot support 1. It's 128.68. It's right here, where we could enter on the short side of the market, or at least watch for the possibility to enter short. That is the classical ABCD retracement of the initial swing to the downside, so we could get some sort of the godly 222 pattern. And I prefer to see and look for still for the 50% resistance, not the 3.8, because you can see that is also the classical support area was here. Market has broken it down, so that will be the resistance. To combine FIB framework and the classical market swings framework give us a bit better opportunity. Also take a look that is 130 area. That is relatively psychology meaningful levels of 130. That's why I suppose that we should watch for that area and look how market will behave around this area. So market should show downward continuation if everything is okay with the bearish environment. Also take a look at this ABCD pattern. You can see that in fact this is a very shallow pattern. You can see that the CD leg is much flatter than the AB swing. So that tells that when this pattern will be completed, more significant resistance will appear in this area. That tells about the growing resistance to the market when the ABCD pattern has flatter CD leg. So that's been said, although market has nicely looking bearish price action, we still have to keep an eye on gold market, because in the case of double repo failure pattern on the daily time frame of the gold, this will probably mean that market will not show deep retracement on the euro currency, and it also will mean that that swing to the downside is just a respect of the 618 resistance on the daily time frame of that resistance 130.30 area, just respect after the completion of the ABCD. But again, since we have protected our positions after the entering short from that area, so probably you already have the stops on the break-even area, that will not be a significant risk for you. Just keep an eye on the gold and keep an eye on how market will develop there, and of course keep an eye on the euro currency, because market should find some resistance in this area and continue move to the downside to keep current bearish sentiment, current bearish environment untouched, because that is definitely the bearish continuation pattern on the 4-hour time frame, and if it will be breaking to the upside, that will not be quite logic. That will be the first warning sign about that something is wrong with the bearish sentiment on the market. So keep an eye on these moments, and I still hope that we will get our deeper move on the daily time frame, at least to the confidence support is around 127.40 area.